Bonjour tout le monde! Today you're going to learn to say what your nationality is and to say where you are from. Nationalities and where you're from. So we should already know how to say hello, but if you don't, a little refresher, we could say bonjour, which technically means hello or good morning, and this is used with adults or strangers. So you would say bonjour to me if you saw me. Or if you were talking with your friends or your family, you could say salut, which means hey. So that's more informal. You would not say salut to me if you saw me. You would say bonjour. And for your name, je m'appelle in your name. It's not je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. So for me, I would say je m'appelle Madame McKee. So nationalities. In English, we have one way to say what your nationality is, and it doesn't matter if you're a boy or a girl. It's the same for everybody. We say, I am American. And you can see that American, our nationalities are capitalized when we write our nationalities. In French, there's two ways to say it, whether you're a boy or a girl. So if you're a boy, you would say, je suis américain. Je suis américain. And if you're a girl, you need to have the feminine way of saying American, which is the same word as américain, but you just add an E at the end. And that changes the spelling and also the pronunciation. So for boys, boys say américain, girls say américaine. It actually makes you pronounce that letter that comes before the E, which in this case is an N. So boys, je suis américain. Girls, je suis américaine. Right? So je suis means I am. Je suis américain. Girls, je suis américaine. Okay. It won't let me. Okay, so to make a nationality feminine, usually you just add an E at the end of the masculine way to say it, usually. So here we have français, which means French. So a boy, if they were French, they would say je suis français, and a girl would say je suis française. This E makes you pronounce the S, and it kind of sounds like a Z, française. If you're English, like from England or London, a boy would say je suis anglais, and a girl would say je suis anglaise. This E makes you pronounce that S like a Z. We already know American. If you're a boy, you would say américain. A girl would say américaine. And if you're Canadian, if you're a boy, you say canadien. And if you're a girl, you say canadienne. And this is what I was talking about when I said you usually just add an E. In this situation for Canadian, you add an N and an E. So usually you add an E, but sometimes there are exceptions. And notice that none of these nationalities are capitalized. We do not capitalize nationalities in French. Okay, now that you can say your nationality, next you're going to learn how to say where you're from. So, je suis, remember, means I am. And then if you want to say I am from, you just have to add this little word de. Je suis de means I am from. And then after that, you could say either the name of a state or a city, wherever you were born. So you could say je suis de Maine, I am from Maine. Or you could say je suis de Rockland, I'm from Rockland. And then we can put it all together. So you can say hi or hello. You can say your name. You can say your nationality. And you can say where you're from. So, for example, for me, I would say, bonjour, je m'appelle Madame Eki. Je suis américaine. Je suis de New York. And then that's it. And then you can say au revoir. Bye. Au revoir. Bonne journée. Have a good day.